Have you ever struggled to find the right spot to work on your bike? You're not alone. Building a dedicated bike repair station can transform your biking experience. If welding isn't your thing, many decent stands are available online. A basic workbench is important. Using plywood and 2x4s, create a solid surface for tools and parts. A magnetic strip above keeps small tools within reach. You don't need every tool to start. A good set of Allen keys is essential. A chain breaker, spoke wrench, tire levers, and a decent floor pump are also recommended. Over time, adding specialized tools like a torque wrench. Comfort and functionality are key. Good lighting is a must, especially for tiny screws. Install a bright overhead LED light and add a swivel lamp for better visibility during late-night tune-ups. A rubber floor mat can protect knees and keeps dropped parts from rolling away. Working on bikes is similar to cars in many ways. You diagnose the problem, grab your tools, and get to work. The satisfaction of that first ride after a repair is incredibly rewarding. Start simple with a few tools and a sturdy stand. It's about the satisfaction of learning and improving every time you pick up a wrench. So why not start your own project today? Grab those tools and get building.